The chairman of the African People's Congress, APC, was arrested, tortured and detained by Juba police after he criticized extension of the unity government, the party's secretary-general said. Thandi Ngor said his party's leader, Deng Bill William, was on Wednesday picked up from his residence in Jebel by men in plain clothes. William was allegedly diverted to an unknown location before he was taken to Malakia police station the following afternoon. Thon said the security personnel did not explain why they were arresting the leader, but he hinted that the detained politician criticized the extension of the transitional period. According to him, William had also expressed solidarity with demonstrators who protested rise in commodity prices at RTGoNU market last Sunday. Following the extension of the transitional period, we wrote our position paper rejecting the extension as APC, African People's Congress Party, and then there was a protest on Sunday at RTGoNU, led by youth and civil society, he said. Before his arrest, William allegedly made a statement on social media calling for the immediate release of the protesters and VOA journalist arrested at RTGoNU. Thon said his detained chairman was picked up inside his house at night. He was met by security apparatus coming to his house at 10 p.m. at night on Wednesday and picked up. The security apparatus came in non-uniform and were driving a numberless car and 2 motorcycles. He was taken to unknown location where he was tortured and later brought to Malakia police station. Thon accused security operatives of constraining space for political actors to practice their political activities freely as required by the constitution. He appealed for the release of the party leader. People are talking of political space, but why are you arresting leaders of political parties that are not armed, those that are non-violent political actors? So, we are demanding for his release, and after his release, we will take legal action against those who arrested our chairman. The National Police spokesperson, Major General Daniel Justin, confirmed the arrest of the vocal politician, but said investigations were still ongoing. He, however, denied allegations of torture of the APC leader Deng Bill William, saying the police did not torture the accused. So far I'm confirming the arrest, but the investigation is ongoing because if I talk to about what is being investigated, the investigation will fail, said Justin. The investigation may lead to evidence about the people we brought in, so want to confirm whether the allegation is true or not. The police official argued that they did not break the law by arresting William at night. We arrest him at night because sometimes we do not find people during the day, we monitor you, and then you are arrested. It is normal. He said. I don't have any idea about that, but we do not torture. You are shown your warrant of arrest and read it, and then you go with us. Unless you are resisting, this is when we use force to make sure that are arrested. He continued.